Hey, eco-conscious travelers, ready to explore the best eco-resorts in the Caribbean? Let's dive into this tropical paradise where luxury meets sustainability. First up, Fondue Eco Resort in St. Lucia. Imagine staying on a 19th century cocoa plantation. This resort uses locally sourced materials and offers plantation tours and rainforest trails. Next, Bukuti and Tara Beach Resort in Aruba. This adults-only getaway is at the forefront of eco-friendly technology. They have solar panels and are involved in marine conservation. Perfect for a sustainable, romantic escape. On to Dominica's Rosalie Bay Resort. This resort is powered by renewable energy and engages in marine conservation. With an organic garden, nature trails, snorkeling, and bird watching, it's a haven for nature lovers. Last but not least, Canopy House in Jamaica. Stay in treehouse accommodations made from eco-friendly materials. They collect rainwater, use solar energy, and offer guided nature excursions. So, what makes an eco-resort special? It's all about sustainability, from renewable energy to waste reduction and water conservation to local community engagement. Eco-resorts offer immersive nature experiences that are simply unforgettable. When choosing an eco-resort, look for sustainability certifications and guest reviews. Check out their green initiatives like solar power and rainwater harvesting. And remember, sustainable vacations are also about your actions. Use public transport or hybrid vehicles, support local artisans, and always follow guidelines in nature reserves. Reduce waste and use reusable items. Don't just visit the Caribbean. Get to know the Caribbean. Head to mycaribbeanmoments.com to explore more eco-resorts. Your sustainable tropical getaway awaits.